In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to reset TCP and IP and Winsock on your Windows 7 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty quick tutorial and should hopefully be able to resolve some internet problems you're having. So we're going to jump into it and start by opening up the Start menu. And you want to type in Command Prompt. Best match should say Command Prompt. You want to right click on it. And then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select Yes. So now into the command prompt, you want to type in net sh space int space IP space reset. Exactly how it appears on my screen, so net sh int IP reset. Then you want to hit enter. And it should take a second to run this command, so just be patient. Okay, so instead of restarting the computer at this moment, I want to type in net sh space winsock winsock space show, another space net winsock reset. So again, net sh space winsock winsock space reset. Then you want to hit enter on your keyboard. Now at this point, I recommend closing out of this command line window. Close out of any programs or applications you still have on your screen, and hopefully once you restart your computer, everything should be good. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.